would be pumping on the other side so you can actually see it.
I'll be on your side. Alright, so everyone, this is my 1989 Volvo 240. While driving, it doesn't happen all the time, but occasionally there's a screeching sound or a droning sound, and that is because of this this drive shaft bearing. What it seems like there's lots of slack in between. There's lots of play in it.
Bearing's gone.
Yeah, bearing's gone. So what this thing's been drying on is like the metal itself, which explains the screeching sound.
That's right. So you got to replace. You got to drop the axle.
Yeah.
Drop it. Drop this. Drop that, and pull it out.
Yeah. Let's drop that.
Okay. And we got this one. Okay, one bolt there, one there. Okay, well, I tell you what we can do though.
What's that?
Go to the car wash and wash the thing all thoroughly so it'll be cleaner to work with.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Because there's a lot of oil under here, you know.
Yeah.
Maybe it could be the grease that got slung out of the bearing. I think that's what it's grease.
Grease?
Yeah, all the grease it got pushed out of the bearing. The seal broken. So we need to get this done.
Okay.
Yep.
Take it to the car wash now. Right now.
Okay.
Well, at least we know it's nothing majorly bad. Jeez, so dirty.